Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side of the person or the person you're dealing with or you're thinking about, and then will be the mutual energy or the outcome. So just pick your sides, whichever side resonates with you, and as they are general readings, so they also will not resonate with each and every one of you, and then in that case you can check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Capricorns. The Two of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the mutual energy or the outcome is the Five of Swords. Okay. So with the Two of Pentacles, there is a lot of indecision going on. You are not making up your mind. Some sort of confusion is there over here. Maybe you are juggling with the other person. It can be that. Or you're not able to make up your mind. And here with the Seven of Wands, this person is trying to defend their point or struggling to convince you or whatever. But they're struggling to sort of defend this relationship, basically. That's what I feel. And here with the Five of Swords as the outcome, what I feel here is there is some sort of a dispute which happens, some argument, something, because it's like it's parting ways. That's what I'm trying to say. It's parting ways. I don't think it is happening, at least in these three cards. Let's see what the other messages are for you. Why is Two of Pentacles here for? The Temperance, Four of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. So here what I feel here is that definitely you are trying to balance something. You are trying to balance something. With the Four of Swords, there's a lot of healing going on, and Six of Pentacles, I think you are trying to sort out something. There's a lot of healing. You have surrendered or given up to the situation, not taking much action on it. For whatever reason it is, either it is your personal or related to this relationship, but you are trying to heal yourself from something and trying to balance the situation, balance yourself, balance your life, or balance this relationship, or whatever it is. You are just not doing much action. You're just trying to take control of your life back. That's what I'm getting, basically. Even if you're trying to balance this situation, it is because something has definitely happened in which you're not, basically I don't see any active movement going on. The only thing is you're just trying to balance something and trying to make up your mind on something, trying to take a decision over something. Let's see what's there on your person side. Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. So this person wants a new beginning over here. They want some sort of a new beginning. And with the Queen of Wands and with the King of Pentacles, I think things are... It can be that this person is quite dominating. It can be that this person is dominating. They want commitment. They want a new beginning. But this person is status-wise very affluent. But maybe they have that nature also of very dominating and controlling, that perhaps. And that is why this struggle is going on in this relationship. Let's see what's there for the outcome or the mutual energy. You have the Ten of Wands, oh my god, the Ten of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So there is a lot of, with the Ten of Wands, this relationship is becoming a burden, and you feel totally knocked down in this situation. Now, though love is there, I think because whatever this fight is all about, I don't see it's getting, it's at least in this scenario, in the current situation, though there is love, it's mutual, love is there, But the thing is that something has, this fight has happened, this argument has happened, which has totally burdened this situation, and both of you are very very upset and depressed over it. It's totally knocked off this relationship. That's what I feel, even though love is there. So at least for now, I don't see, though this person wants a new beginning and love is there, but I think this person is not, you are not able to make up your mind. You are so hurt that you are trying to just take back the control of yourself, your own life, not making a move at all, though this person wants a new beginning. But at least for now, even though love is there, I don't see any further movement, any further step, at least for now. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.